guys are here. How does it feel to see all the Kapampangan kapalit? Yung pamilya natin dito.
Naghihiya ako.
Oo,
It's very exciting.
Grabe po. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang appreciated po namin yung effort nila kasi
Ang init sa labas.
sorry po.
Kasi.
Sorry po. Ayan na. Ang ano po pala, sobrang grabe po. Thank you kasi sobrang init ngayon pero tumila sila and ngayon nagsistay sila sa labas. Sobrang thankful po kami sa dedication nila to see everyone na nandito po sa amin. Thank you po.
Sobrang excited ko for this kita namin yung pila sa labas. Na-experience namin yung Pampanga Heat. Iba yung Pampanga Heat. Manila Heat.
Iba.
Iba yung Pampanga Heat. But they're all here and we're excited to get them. Kasi pinag-inter tayo sa mga yung love from everybody who supports all the ABS shows. And we're very grateful to be part of an ABS show. And feeling ko dahil sinusuportahan nila na ganito sobra dahil iba din yung quality na natin yung ABS-CBN sa content nila. And yun nga, ang dami-dami tao dito ngayon. Sobrang grateful lang talaga sa
Tony.
Yes po.
Ano ka pamilya?
Yes.
Ano pakiramdam na ito nga, ang daming nararamdaman yung pagmamahal ng mga kapamilya?
Ano po, very heartwarming po kasi grabe po yun. Nakakatuloy po yung support nila. Engage sila sa show natin. It's good to know na maraming nakabag. Nakakataba po.
Was it a dream for you to become a kapamilya?
Ano yun?
Was it a dream for you to be a kapamilya?
Actually, it wasn't. Totoo lang. Kasi takot kasi ako pumasok sa mainstream ng agad-agad. So I really wanted to make super strong. So I know how there's so much pressure that comes with being out there. In a show like this, malilawak na reach. So I came from India and I came from India. So it was, I really wanted to take it soon. So hindi talaga siya part. But like, now that I am part of this, I'm super grateful. It pays the bills. And I get so much network, like with people I've met, so many talented people in the industry. And ang dami ko rin bagong natutunan about this side of filmmaking and this part of the entertainment industry. Sobrang dami ko natutunan. I really want to stay and I want to do more and meet more people and make more setting every day. Let's go!
Segue na din kami kasi you guys are here to actually promote High Street. Ano ba yung abangan for her? Just very quick because we know that the show is gonna start anytime soon, but very quick lang. Ano ba yung abangan sa mga characters ng High Street?
For me, siguro, given na abangan nila for Roxy is how she would be a great mom. And paano niya ititil yung drastic change sa life na alone. And kung paano niya pahaharapin yung mga trauma nila noon now that she is moving forward with her son. So, paano niya ititil lahat-lahat na dealing with the past, dealing with the future, and also being present for her son.
Si Archie marami pinagdaanan the past 5 years. So I guess High Street is the chance for him to redeem himself, to redeem his life. And panindigan yung promise na ginawa niya kay Roxy nung ending ng senior high. And kung paano niya i-deal yung dami na nangyari na sa family. Since we got senior high, so after 5 years, gusto ko sana abangan nyo kung ano yung magiging profession niya. So kung ano yung work ni Coach. And then syempre yung with Tim, sorry flash ako ulit. Pasensya na. So pero may policeman. So parang Basically yun lang, gusto ko sana maabangan nyo kung paano mag-develop yung love story.
Magkakaroon ba ng third party sa
I don't know. Secret. Wala na kayong aabangan. So parang enjoy nyo na lang din yung process kung paano namin ginagawa. So with watching it, try to enjoy it na lang slowly. So parang go with the flow na lang din sa akin.
How was it working with Zijan? I mean, this is not an easy role. How was it working with him? Like, was there any...
Like I've been saying, sobrang dali na trabaho ni Zijan. So basically we collab, especially with the Recona. So parang lahat kami teamwork. It's basically all a teamwork naman. So collab lang talaga. So may consent, okay ba na even with the inputs namin ni Zijan, so na-appreciate ko yun. Kung paano namin mas mapagaling ng mas realistic yung series.
Could we talk about voice love kind of story? Medyo may iba, tanggap na tanggap yun that song. Hindi pa sila ganun tumulong doon. Are you scared of, you know, actually putting out that story na baka may mag-bash sa inyo? Or how do you feel about that?
Pero mabot na ako sa point kasi na parang kasi I don't care anymore because it's a character that we portray. But it's sad at the same time kasi may mga nag-message sa akin na relate sa character ko na who actually went through the same way Coach went through. So parang it's sad to know that and it's kind of uplifting din being an actor lang din na parang ganun pa rin talaga kalakas yung impact na pwede mo mabigay in terms of telling a story.
Kay sa'yo rin naman, ano pakaramdam na dalawang lalaki yung nagpaparamdam sa'yo dito?
Ay, hindi, joke lang po. Siguro po for me, happy po ako kasi parang ganun yung trust na binibigay nila sa akin to work with multiple people. Na ganun po nila ako pinagkakatiwalaan na i-pair up sa iba't tao. And happy din po ako kasi pareho po may support and pareho may thrills for the fans. So, sobrang nakaka-excite at nakaka-enjoy siya gawin kasi ang saya-saya nila pareho katrabaho with Rand and Jen.
How's working with Rob? Nag-aas ba siya ng advice?
Po?
Nag-aas siya sa'yo ng mga advice?
Hindi naman po directly, but we help each other naman po in every scene and also open naman po siya for guidance and also mabait kasi mabait na tao siya sobra. So walang issue, hindi naman kami nahirapan sa connection or sa relationship namin sa taping kasi mabait, sobrang mabait. Mabait ka rin naman.
Magpapatalo ka ba sa karakter ni Rob? Elijah, magpapatalo ka ba?
Hindi! Of course not. I mean, knowing Archie, gusto niya matupad yung promise niya kay Roxy. And si Archie may pagmamahal naman talaga para kay
But
Roxy.
parang di ka sure.
Hindi, meron talaga. Meron siyang love for Roxy. Kaya excited ako paano niya mapapatunayan yung ano. Kasi kahit ako hindi ko pa alam eh.
You have two primetime shows on ABS-CBN, Batang Quiapo and High Street. How do you manage yung yung time mag-take?
Dasal na lang po. And I try to find time to rest all the time. Hanggat kaya. Pero I'm really having fun. A lot of fun. Doing both shows. Especially even Batang Quiapo. Ang saya-saya ng set doon. And mag-explore lang ng character ko doon. And then going back to High Street. Portraying Archie again na parang yung ginagawa namin. I'm having the most fun right now.
Hindi ka ba nahirapan kumapit sa characters mo kasi parang paiba-iba yung taping?
Nahirapan nung una, but ngayon, it's been a couple months naman since I started and medyo nagagamay ko na po ang characters. But for sure, nung umpisa, mahirap. Minsan, naguguluhan na rin ako kasi iba-iba din yung boses, iba yung role, so mahirap. But I'm being guided by the best directors and the best team, and I'm grateful for that.
Elijah, on top of having these shows with ABS-CBN, are you also working on a movie right now? I heard you're working on a movie right now. How is it so far?
We're halfway through making the movie and we're excited to share it. It's a very important story. It's called Edro. It's about the story of Edgar Robson, martial law martyr back then. And it's based on a true story, obviously. So grabe yung pressure. And it's of surreal because I'm the type of actor or artist that really wants to keep making projects that are relevant, you know, socially, politically, or to anybody personally. That's why when I'm given projects like this, where it's also important to me the messages are important to me as well, yung magagawa ko na lang sa deliver and justify it the best way I can with my research and everything. Pero yeah, swerte din ako sa mga directors and sa team na nakakatrabaho.
Really good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Picture na lang.
Thank you.
Today is the anniversary of ABS-CBN shutdown. Pero ngayon nasa pinakapamilya.
No questions about the shutdown.
Okay. Ayun na lang yung ano nila pakiramdam nila kayo pero pinakapamilya.
Pakiramdam.
Pakiramdam na after ng mga nangyari, kayo meron tayong pinakapamilya.
Walang nangyari. I mean, hindi nakapamilya.
Anong feeling na meron tayong celebrity?
After ng mga nangyari for the past
Okay bro, kasi nagkakatrabaho ulit tayo lahat. Diba? So sana tuloy-tuloy pa and keep it up with the period.
Sobrang happy po ako to have this kind of events kasi maraming time para magkasama-sama yung mga artists, meron tayong time para makapag-entertain and makaroon ng connection sa ating mga audience, sa ating mga loyal viewers. So happy kami to give back sa kanila and show them na we appreciate them.
Well, syempre, I'm super happy and grateful. It's basically yun nga, sinabi ko siya like countless of times and basically it's an award for my inner child na maging parte. You know, basically, the Senior High project is already a milestone for me and being over the goals. So yun, super grateful for it.
Ay, sorry.
I think, yeah,